Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making Okay guys, I made a mango chutney. I will leave a link in the description showing you how I made my mango chutney. But I decided to come up with a dish called mango chutney chicken. So I have my chicken here that I washed already, cleaned and washed. And so I'm going to season it now so I can leave it to marinate overnight. So I'm going to add to this chicken some green seasoning. I will leave a link in the description showing you how you can make green seasoning. So here I have some green seasoning that I'm putting to my chicken. I'm going to put some Dijon honey mustard. So this is a dish that I came up with because I made the mango chutney and I said, hey, why not combine the mango chutney with this chicken and call it mango chutney chicken? I'm going to add some rosemary. I'm also going to add some onions, as you can see here. Thank you. I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. Again, I will leave a link in the description showing you how I made my ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of pink salt to this. And the star of this will be our mango chutney. So like I said, I will leave a link in the description showing you how I made my mango chutney. But we're going to be adding this to season our chicken. And we're going to leave this overnight to soak in to make our mango chutney chicken. Alright, so let's just combine all this seasoning now together. We want to give our chicken a nice good massage. Massage this in nicely. And then we're going to cover and we're going to leave this to soak in overnight. I'm actually thinking I should add a little more of the rosemary, you know. I wonder if I should get some more rosemary for my garden and add to it. I think I might just do that. Alright, so I'm going to get another sprig of rosemary and add it to this. Okay, so I have another piece of rosemary here that I'm going to add to this. Right. Nice. So let's just massage this in. All right, let me just wash my hands out now and cover this with cling wrap so I can put it in the fridge. Okay guys, so we had our chicken marinating overnight. So now we're gonna put it in our dish here to roast. So I have my oven preheating at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to roast this for between 35 to 40 minutes in the oven. So we're just going to place our chicken here. Okay guys, so our mango chutney roast chicken is now completed. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.